BenQ GS2 Wireless Mini Portable Projector, Pros and Cons. Pros. The fan noise is not too bad. The projector is pretty good for the price. The image quality is decent. The oobe, out-of-box experience, is very good. The speakers are surprisingly decent. The brightness is pretty decent. Can use Roku stick to stream. Good clarity. Safety features built in. Great mini projector. Cons. Remote control is not powerful. The projector fails to respond. Not suitable for outdoor use. Could be brighter. Bluetooth not integrated. That's it. Please subscribe.